Welcome to mychefskills.com. My name's Matt Healy and I'm going to be showing you how to cook my restaurant favourites. So I'll be showing you how to do one of my favourite dishes, smoked eel with the celeriac remoulade and pickled radishes. Beautiful, beautiful dish. Lovely umami. I'm going to be showing you how to make one of my all-time favourites, the classic beef tartare. We've put a little bit of a fun twist on this because we serve it with a Yorkshire blue cheese and onion toasty. Absolutely amazing. And when Jay Rayner came to my restaurant to review it, said it was one of the best dishes he's ever eaten. I'll also be showing you how to make fish and chips, but not as you know it. It's a beautiful refinement of that British classic. I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful piece of cod and the best chip shop curry sauce. And I'm also going to be showing you how to make that classic French pudding, the crème brûlée, which was also touted in the Michelin Guide as being a fantastic finish to the meal at my restaurant. Having won the UK's best Sunday lunch, I'm going to show you how to make an overindulgent, amazing Beef Wellington to impress your friends. As an alternative to that, if you're a vegetarian, I'm going to show you how to make a mushroom, confit onion and goat's cheese Wellington. It's fantastic for vegetarians and for meat eaters alike if you just want something a little different. I'm also going to show you how to make the crispiest, fluffiest roast potatoes, and we're going to top that off with a beautiful, silky red wine sauce to make your whole Sunday dinner come to life. One of my episodes in this series will also cover knife skills. I'm going to show you how to chop like a chef. Brunoise, julienne, mirepoix, all just fancy French words. You can show off to your mates on what you've learned and how to use a knife properly. The instant gratification of feeding a guest it's like a mini high. It's because you don't know how it's going to go, because these are your ideas, this is your emotion, this is your mind on a plate. And to get good feedback from a guest or a friend or anybody really, it's really heartwarming, and it's something that can't be replicated in any other environment, I don't think. It's about messing about with flavours. There's no right or wrong way really with cooking. You just got to sort of see where it leads you. And the first production, I guess, of a dish is probably going to be a world apart from the final product. But it's the journey that's really nice, and seeing that dish evolve to then going on the menu and being produced to a guest. Join me on this cooking journey where I'm going to empower you to cook like a pro. Right, let's get in the kitchen.